less than 1% of the world's water is fit for human consumption. With the effects of climate change well documented, we are facing a global crisis. IWG has brought some of the greatest minds in business and industry-leading water specialists together to identify opportunities in water management, water treatment, water purification, and other environmental solutions. Our team used their wealth of experience and long-standing relationships with major governments, leading global organizations such as the United Nations, and multinational companies across various sectors to grow our portfolio. With our first major acquisition now complete, we've identified a number of highly profitable acquisition and investment opportunities of companies that employ cutting-edge technology, have developed unique solutions, and have outstanding potential. We are committed to becoming one of the world leaders in the water industry, focusing not just on established markets, but creating entirely new ones.